Hello guys, how are you all? Today we are learning how to insert an image in Video Scribe. Click on the tab Add New Image. From here we have different options to insert different kind of images like arrows, buildings, callouts and different kind of emojis and other images are available here. We can insert any kind of image or images that we would like to add in our Video Scribe to make an animated video, that is whiteboard animation video. So there are a lot of options. As you can see here, I have just added one image. Now to resize it, press on any corner and adjust the size of the image. But remember one thing, that do not press on the buttons that are in the center, top center or sides, because you see the image is distorted rather than resizing. So I'm deleting this and adding again the image, and see how I am resizing the image. I am pressing on the corners, on any of the corner, and resizing it. I am placing it on the side and adding a new image. See how I am adding another image and resizing it again by pressing on any of the corner. Now let's add one more, and you will get an idea that how we can add an image in Video Scribe. This is a simple technique. If you have any other question, please let us know in the comments. We will try to make videos for you. Thank you.